morning, everyone. Right now, I am on my way to work. That went up. It's warm out, but I know it's gonna rain because of the clouds in the sky and the way that the sky looks right now. It was raining on my way here. It was just like sprinkling, kind of. Anyways, yeah, I'm just going to work. After this, I'm on spring break, so I'm super excited. I just have to like finish up my paper today, and then I'm probably gonna go to the gym. I don't know. I'll see what happens. So yeah, that's about it. If I don't, yeah, I'll vlog once I get out of work. So that's when I'll see you guys next. So I obviously got out of work. Super exciting. I'm gonna go to the library to work on some homework, because I really need to. And then I'm gonna go get tutoring for that. And yeah. Okay, so I've been in the library since 11:30. It is now 1:28. No wait, hold on. 1:30. It's now 1:30. Been here for 2 hours. Yeah, I'm about to go eat some lunch and then go to the tutoring center because I really need to do that. And then after that, I'm taking a break, going to the gym, and then I will be on spring break. So right now, I'm now heading to tutoring. And I just still can't get over the fact that basketball is canceled. So, update. I'm now at the gym. I'm super excited to be back at the gym. I went on Wednesday, but I didn't go for long. I just went to Zumba, and also, like, I was with my friends, so I wasn't, like, vlogging that much. So, anyways, right now, I am just going to ride my bike. And then I'm going to jump rope probably, and then I'll do some weights, because I need to get some cardio in and some weightlifting in. So yes, I'm excited. I'm probably gonna do a treadmill maybe. Yeah, trying to lose weight. Because why not? Anyways, that's about it. Alright, so it's obviously been a while. It's the next day. I am going to go downstairs and celebrate my brother for his birthday. I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Okay, so right now I am about to go to Top Golf with my friend. Super excited, so yes. So, update. So, Top Golf was like a 2-hour wait. So now we're at the airport overlook, and we have Frosties, so that's exciting. Yay, we have Frosties.
I'm sitting on my. I'm just keep sitting on it.
We're watching the airplanes. So, update, I'm now home. I am home from the airport, whatever. It was fun. I loved it. It was great. So this whole coronavirus thing is ridiculous. Like, what the heck, dude? Like, everything is canceled. So I don't have to go to church in the morning, so yeah, it's exciting. If I was supposed to volunteer, I was like, guess I'm not volunteering. Anyways, so yeah, that happened, and then, let's see. Well, yeah, I went to Wendy's twice today, okay? I go to Wendy's the first time. I was gonna get a drink, okay? I'm like, can I just have a fountain drink? Like, I just want one. The guy hands me the cup. He's like, I got it. I was like, thanks. Like, what the heck? Like, okay. I got a Wendy's tonight again, right? All I got is fries. Or I was like, I want fries and a Frosty. So he puts the fries in there. I was like, it's $1.38 or $1.62, whatever, however much it was. It's like, wait, I said Frosty. I'm like, wait, didn't I say Frosty? Like, I thought I said a Frosty. Dude, he gives that to me for free. I got 2 free things today. What the heck? So it's fun. Hang out with me, get free stuff. Yeah, literally, and then he gives my friend free thing. Oh my gosh, like, that was, like, crazy. My friend and I both get free thing, 2 free things today. Like, how is that even possible? Anyways, that's about it. I'm gonna go to bed now because I'm gonna get some good sleep. So I need to catch up on some sleep. Yeah, that's about it. So, I'm going to end the vlog here, so thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Please comment down below, like this video, and subscribe if you're new. Bye guys, see you guys in the next one. Peace.